Hey team, I'm going to show you how to order gas cards on the WEX Online system. So we're going to go to www.login.wexcard.com and it's going to bring you to this login screen. Then we're going to put in the username, which is lowercase Bachtrans, and then whatever our current password is. Hit login and it's going to take us to the dashboard screen. Then we go up here to Fleet Manager. And we're going to go to Add Vehicles and Asset Cards. Click on that. Then it's going to ask us, what's the vehicle ID? So we're going to order cards for AMT 240. And it's a vehicle. I don't really worry about the tank capacity. The prompt is going to be odometer and driver ID. The custom control is going to be fuel only. And then the embossed line is going to be AMT 240. So the embossed line and the unit number are going to be the same. Now it's really important to get the embossed line on there because otherwise it's just going to say Charles E. Grimm on the card and it won't have that ID on the bottom. So then we'll have to figure it out based on the card number. So then we're going to go ahead and hit save. And it's going to bring us into this queue. I need to order 2 of these fuel cards today, so I'm going to go ahead and add 1 more. So this is going to be AMT 250. It's a vehicle. The prompting is going to be odometer and driver. AMT 250. Control, going to be fuel only. Then I'm going to hit save. Now we're going to complete the order. It's going to ask us how we want to do shipping. Now we can do regular, which is just our standard mail, and it usually gets in about 4 days. We could do overnight or 2-day. If it's urgent and we need 2-day, go ahead. Otherwise, the regular mail is usually what we're going with. And then we've got select the shipping. So right now it's set to our PO box. And I usually change that to our residential address, which is 151 West 100. So hit select. And the reason I do that is the mail only gets checked 2 or 3 times a week, whereas the mail comes 5 or 6 days a week at the shop. So once we've got all these options, I'm going to go ahead and hit finish. And those are ordered.